I'm about to show you how to delete your TikTok account in 2026. Let's jump in. Now, I have my iPhone and Android here. I'll walk you through the steps on both. You're first just going to tap on Profile at the very bottom right, and you'll be able to see all of your videos. Now, a good housekeeping thing is that you might want to download all those videos because, of course, deleting your account will delete all those videos. But when you've done that and you're ready to go, let's go to your settings here. So just open up your settings. And from here, it looks fairly similar on both phones. Now, you'll be able to delete your account by going into the account settings and then going to the deletion or deactivation. Of course, in this case, we want to delete your account permanently. It says that you can always reactivate this and get it back within 30 days just by logging into your account. Now, it says, why are you leaving? You can just hit skip here. You don't necessarily need to say why. And then you can review the request and you can download all of your data here. So just tap on that button here and hit continue and continue. Now, this is the last step. It just says delete this account. Again, it will be deleted, but you have 30 days just to log back in if you wanted to recover it or get it back before it's permanently deleted.